Alright, so let's go take a look at the amazing Chiron Sport, Bugatti Chiron Sport right behind me. Hold on, there's a lot of people as well. Hold on, I'll try to walk around it. Carbon fiber body with the carbon fiber details. I mean, amazing spec. It's the Bugatti Chiron Sport. I really love the signature rectangular headlamps, or the DLR. Oh, just have a look at it. The combination of the red paint and the carbon fiber body. It's amazing. The brakes, fill up the whole wheels. Holy shit. This car looks amazing. This car looks amazing, and the carbon fiber details are insane. Look at the calipers. They are twice as big as the mirrors. That's incredible. At the back of the car, you can see the one tail light, straight line together, and 4 huge exhausts. And I can't zoom in. Recording this on GoPro, but it looks spectacular. The Chiron Sport. I'm still pretty close, so it's not that bad. Full carbon fiber body. The rest, it's two-tone, so the rest of it is red. Extremely huge brakes, and the calipers are so big that they are actually shown right there. I'm going to show you in a minute. To just see how extremely unrealistically and huge the brakes are. The wheels itself are huge. You know, the color and all the attention to detail, like the red mirror, all the carbon fiber right here. Unfortunately, the daytime running lights are off, but when they are on, you can see the signature rectangular headlamps, 4 of them on each side. And there's a guy cleaning the car, and there's the extremely loud music playing here, probably to force the people to get out of here. So I don't know if you can actually hear anything. You can actually see the car at least inside. And as you can see, frameless windows, amazing interior, black leather with red stitching, well, closed it, but carbon fiber and the red details of the car. There's some women actually walking the view of the car. I'm just joking, but it looks pretty amazing. And you can see the wing. So, and it's up right now. It's not within the lines of the car, and you can also see the extreme huge 4 exhaust tips in the back of the car. Anyway, let's walk right here and look at the spoiler. So this is the spoiler, the rear wing of the car, and this is the huge brake caliper. I don't know if you can see its size. It's like almost 1/4 of the wing, maybe even not 1/4 of the wing. This is a Bugatti bicycle. If you have probably at least $100,000 to splash on a bicycle, if it's even for sale. You have this amazing looking, probably really lightweight bicycle, really simple design. I don't know if it's actually even rideable or if it's just a concept. It does have a brake, so it could, maybe you could ride on it. I wouldn't try though. And it's full carbon fiber frame, no transmission, so it's gonna be hard to ride on this bike. It's probably not made for